Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some cute bee cards for you, so let's get started. So in this short video I would like to share with you these cute die-cut sheets, the Buzzing Bees by Janine's Art, and these are of course by Find It in Holland. There are 3 or 4, I think there are 4, I'm sharing 3 with you today in this line. And these are so pretty, and I think summer is almost here, so these make beautiful summer cards. Beautiful artwork, the bees, the honey, the flowers. And these are die-cut sheets. There are 3 on each sheet. And then of course the extra layers that you can use to make 3D cards. Look at the bees, look at the little ladybugs. Very cute designs. Here's another one. I love the colors. I love these beautiful bumblebees. Just right for summer. And here is the 3rd one. Look how lovely these designs are. I just love Janine's art so much. Beautiful. And let me show you what I have done. So here, this card, very simple. I used the Michaels colorful card blanks, added some bee paper that I had in my stash. I had also this piece of gold strip left that I just made a fishtail, and then added the embellishment. And isn't it just absolutely gorgeous? Yeah. So this bee paper is actually part of the Buzzing Bees, but it's currently out of stock. Hopefully, I'll check if it is back in stock when I post this video, because of course that makes a beautiful background. But even if you don't have the matching paper, I'm sure you find something that would match these cute embellishments. So here is my first card, very simple. I haven't added any of the greetings yet because I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for. But I have them ready when I need them. So these could be birthday cards. They could be cards for children too. Look at this, how gorgeous this one is. I do have to say I love this background paper though, that came off the paper pack with the Buzzing Bees. So hopefully I have it back in stock when I post this video, so please check. I'll link it below if I have it. And just see, there's a lot going on here on those sunflowers. You have the ladybugs and you have the bee, and I added even a little golden butterfly. So I think they came out so cute and so simple. Of course, very quick cards. And the last one that I have created with this paper pad here, and of course I used this paper pad over here, this die cut sheet I mean. So here again you have the card blank, and then this bee paper, and then of course some background paper that I had left. I have so many scraps, and I'm sure you do too. So just go through your box and find something where the colors match. And that's really the fun part, is finding the colors that match your embellishment and then arrange it on your card. Do a little decoupage style and see what works. Here I added some glitter paper. I had a couple pieces, so it's the same as this one. I just used it here. So you have this outline. But it really, all it is just assembling and gluing a little bit of paper onto your card, and then you add the foam pads. You have this beautiful embellishment. I always add some stickles. I do like the glitter, but you don't have to. These sheets come not glittered, so add it or don't, just like you like it. But the embellishment itself is just gorgeous. So I hope you like these quick and cute cards that I shared with you today. If so, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the box below, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Stay healthy or become healthy, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.